Is there out there any famous, interesting and valuable song containing only one note in the melody? Can we write one? Coming up.
It's easy.
It is easy?
Oh, it is very easy.
It is easy for me?
It is easy for you.
What do I do here? It's
You-
nice and easy?
Yes, you only sing one note.
What note I sing?
Hello everybody, I'm Valentin from The Wise Owl. This channel is about interesting music facts, creativity and music experiments, so please check it out and subscribe if you like it. In the transition clip, they were talking about the one-note samba. It's a great song, however the title is a bit deceiving. They are using more notes in the melody. For example, we notice that the single note changes after a couple of bars.
This is just a little samba built upon a single note. Other notes are bound to follow, but the rule is still that note. Now the new one is the consequence.
Can we now write an interesting and good enough song in which the melody consists in only one note? Today I'll be creating an 8-bar melody based solely on the note C4. After that, I will harmonize it in different ways. After that, I will produce it / orchestrate it. I want to hear your feedback at the end of the experiment, so let's do this.
Cool, so this is the starting point. Notice how deep and very and extremely profound are the lyrics. I'm joking. This is the first thing that came to my mind, and it sounds like this. This is a one-note song. Come on, let's sing along. Good, so notice that this melody is in 6/4. And as well notice the tempo, 108 BPM. Okay, so now let's create more melody using repetition. We'll be repeating these parts. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3. In the 4 bar we will change it, but let's repeat. Let's change here the melody a bit. The rhythm actually. Adding now the lyrics. Sing it. Okay. So now we will repeat. Repetition is good because we actually obtain something memorable, a hook. Come on, let's sing it. And we finalize here the melody, of course with the note on the note C. Okay. This is the one. I want to sing. Come on, let's sing along. Come on, let's sing along. This is one not song. Come on, let's sing it strong. Let's add the final lyric. Good. So, how would this sound? The 6/4. Let's give it a shot. I have no expectations. Let's see. 3, 4, 5. This is the one note song. Come on, let's sing along. This is the one note song. Come on, let's sing it. This is the one note song. Come on, let's sing along. This is the one note song. Come on, let's sing it strong. Good, so as you could see, it's kind of boring. It's a it's monotone. Yeah. It's quite monotone. But on the other hand, it's quite catchy because there is a lot of repetition, and anyone can sing it. If I can sing it, then anyone can. Alright, so now let's take this melody and add some chords to it so that we can, obtain something more interesting musically. We will add an instrument. Let's add the piano. And for this video, we'll just be adding the treble clef, because we want just to hear how it will sound, because we want to hear just how it will sound. Good, so let's harmonize it. The note is C, the key C major. We will be using the chords in C major and all the chords that contain the note C. So I have the idea to try them in order. Basically, we'll start with a C major. Okay. So let's try C. C, E, G notes. Then the next one will be D, in order to have a chord tone, a C chord tone. It will be a D7. Let's put the C here as well. The next one is E, but E is not suitable because E minor actually contains the note B, which clashes with C, so we'll be using an F instead. So let's try the F. Finally, then we have the next one, could be G, but G major has the same issue as E minor. However, we will be using it later, so let's skip and use A minor instead. Sorry, this is 5. Good. So I copy to the 8th bar. And here I want to have a cadence. Okay, so I have the A minor. The duration is 2 bits. So I'll change. Then I will enter a G. We need a G major in order to finish on C major. So this is the 5-to-1 cadence. Okay, so I will insert a G. Let me have a G11 because I want to capture that C note and sound good. And here I'll be having a regular G that will solve to C major, but let me change the duration to C. Cool, this is awesome. So I'm saving it. Let's hear it with chords. the chord changes once per bar for now. Start from the melody. Good, so I would say it's better. It's not so boring anymore. But let me try one final thing as well before moving on to the orchestration. Let's change the chords more often. Let's change the chords twice per bar. So instead of having C once per bar, then D7, let's have it C and D in the same bar. So we need to make this in half. And this in half as well. Good. So you see in the same bar C and D minor 7. We'll take the F and the A. Already in the next bar. Good, so the rest will be repeating. Okay, here we'll have this part instead of the F, and of course we leave the cadence the 5-1. So A minor, then G11, G, C major. Alright, maybe let me add the chord names really quickly. That will help you. So D minor 7. This is an F. This is A minor. Have the same. Here we have a C major, D minor 7. Here we have an A minor, a G, G11, a G, and a C major. Okay, let's listen to this. Good, ready? This is a one-note song. Come on, let's sing along. This is a one-note song. Come on, let's sing. This is a one-note song. Come on, let's sing along. This is a one-note song. Come on, let's sing it strong. Awesome.
Finally, can we take this 8-bar demo and make it even more interesting with orchestration? The idea behind or the vision is to obtain a playful sound. After all, it's a fun test. So we might want to avoid instruments like strings, cello, or organ, as they generally tend to sound dramatic. But instead, listen to this version with the tambourine. Cool, now your turn. What do you think about this 8-bar song part? How else would you harmonize it? What other instruments would you use to orchestrate / produce it? How would you continue it? Let us hear from you in the comment section below. Please like the video if you made it so far, and remember to subscribe to find more videos that you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.